Hi guys, welcome to BABUJEE Academy from ALIZAI group of channels. Guys, again today I am with a new video and a new topic. Our today topic is nutrients. What are nutrients? And today video lecture we will study that what are nutrients, what are the types of nutrients, then what are macronutrients and what are micronutrients. So let me start. Nutrients is a food or any substance that supplies elements to the body necessary for metabolism. So nutrients do what? Nutrients supply any substance or food which is necessary for metabolism of the body. Metabolism is the sum of all reactions occurring inside the body. Now, what are the types of nutrients? Types of nutrients are two types: macronutrients and micronutrients. Now, what are macronutrients? The type of nutrient which are required in large amount to our body is known as macronutrients. As you can guess from the name that macro mean in large amount or large. So the nutrients which are required in large amount to our body is known as macronutrients. Macronutrients are recommended in amount more than 100 mg per day. Macronutrients tend to be available less in the soil and have a high pH. Examples of macronutrients are carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, phosphorus, sulfur, potassium, etc. Now, moving forward to the second type of nutrients, that is micronutrients. As you can guess from the name that micro means a small amount and small amount. So, the type of nutrients which are required in small amount to our body is known as micronutrients. So what are micronutrients? Those nutrients which are required in small amount to our body is known as micronutrients. Micronutrients are recommended in amount less than 20 mg per day. Micronutrients tend to be available less in the soil and have a high pH. Examples of micronutrients are ferric, zinc, chlorine, manganese, boron, etc. Okay guys, let me summarize what we studied. We studied that nutrients is a food or any substance that supplies elements to the body necessary for metabolism. That nutrient supplies food or any substance which is necessary for metabolism. Types of nutrients are macronutrients. Macronutrients are those nutrients which are required in large amount. They have a low pH and tend to be available less in the soil. Examples of macronutrients are carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, etc. Now, micronutrients, those nutrients which are required in small amount to our body is known as micronutrients. They tend to be available less in the soil and have a high pH. They are recommended in amount less than 20 mg per day. Examples of micronutrients are ferric, zinc, chlorine, manganese, etc. Guys, in today's class we studied that what are nutrients, what are the types of nutrients, and how much amount they are necessary per day. So guys, that was our today video lecture. Guys, if you like my video, then press the like, share and subscribe button, and also tell me below in the comment box that how was today's video. Thank you.